Hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Angela again from Angela's Easy Cooking. Today I'm going to be making very easy dish, making fried egg with some vegetable. And we're going to be needing tomato, onion, white and red onion. We need also spring onion, garlic and ginger, and some pepper. And I need some vegetable oil, sunflower oil, and some eggs, stock cube, and salt to taste. So now I'm going to be adding some oil to the pan, a little bit of oil. Let it heat a little bit, and I'm adding the sliced onion and garlic and ginger to it, and the pepper as well. I didn't slice the pepper because of my children. They don't like it very spicy or biting pepper in the food, so I'm taking them out later. So now I add the tomato to the pan. I'm going to let it fry for maybe 2 minutes or less. I'll fry it with the onion together. Wow, my kitchen smells so nice at this moment. Add the spring onions, you can see. Added the salt and the stock cube. Now I'm going to add the egg to it. It's a very easy dish. It's not the type of dish that you stay long time in the kitchen. It's so easy to prepare. Now everything is in the pan. We just wait for the egg to cook. In 3 minutes it's ready. Depends on how high your heat is. See, it's ready now. So breakfast is ready for my kids. And I already removed the pepper. Sorry, I didn't tell you that. See, breakfast is ready. And it looks so good. You can add more vegetables to it. These are the one what my children like. This is just how they like it. You can add paprika, that's bell pepper, to it. It's so yummy, so nice. This is one of my children's favorite food. They like this with boiled potato, with bread. They love it. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Just press that button and help me to build my YouTube channel. And like my page on Facebook. Help me to share. Thank you so much. And if you've already subscribed, thank you very much. God bless you.